Welcome to Building a Website with ChatGPT. In this course, we will explore the world of website development with the help of our intelligent language model, ChatGPT. In Lesson 1, we will start with an overview of website development and the importance of websites in today's digital landscape. We will also cover the basic concepts of website development with ChatGPT, setting the foundation for the rest of the course. Moving on to Lesson 2, we will dive deeper into the key languages that make up a website: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We will learn how these languages work together to create websites and understand their basic syntax and structure. In Lesson 3, we will apply what we've learned so far and build a simple website with ChatGPT. We will learn how to plan and design a website and integrate ChatGPT's conversational interface into it. In Lesson 4, we will focus on designing visually appealing and user-friendly websites. We will explore the principles of good website design and use ChatGPT to create a website that incorporates images, videos, and other media. In Lesson 5, we will discuss the importance of testing and debugging a website. We will learn techniques for testing and debugging with ChatGPT and best practices for ensuring our website is error-free. Finally, in Lesson 6, we will wrap up the course with best practices for building a website with ChatGPT. We will cover the importance of accessibility and responsiveness in website development, tips for creating engaging content, and staying up to date with new website development trends and technologies. By the end of this course, you will have a strong foundation in website development and be able to build your own website with the help of ChatGPT. Let's get started.